Stiff neck, do the facelift to instantly reduce that stiff neck and shoulders. So what's going on? So when your neck up here in the front is really tight and constricted and all your face is so tight up here, right? What's going to happen? It's going to draw your head down, and that's going to create tension in your neck and shoulders, right? So you want to relieve this tension here, which will help the tension back here, right? So how do you relieve it? Well, you do a facelift, right? So you're going to go up for 30 seconds, okay? Facelift, facelift, facelift here, okay? Then you're going to go up here, okay? You're going to rub it on the side here, rub it on the side here. Do that for 30 seconds, and then you're going to go up. You're going to lift this up, relax your jaw, so nothing's pulling over here, so it doesn't cause this to be pulled down like this. So you're going to relax all of this, right? So, and the side benefit is you'll get to see your chin again, right? All right, make sure you follow me, subscribe on my YouTube page, and facelift your way to relax shoulders.
Primarily, I had bursitis in my right knee and hip problem and sciatic nerve. But at one point, I asked Jim if they ever did anything for kidney problems. And he said, well, yes, we cannot stop it, but we can try and slow it down. And so I was diagnosed by my nephrologist as having a stage 2 kidney disease. And after coming here for, I would say 6 months it's been now, I had an appointment with my nephrologist, and he informed me that he was knocking me down to mild because my reports, my blood test, and my urinalysis came out unbelievably good. And so he said, your kidneys will never be perfect, but whatever you're doing, keep doing it. I would recommend it to everybody, and especially everyone that is open to it, because I think that that's a very important part of the process. If you don't believe in it, it's not going to happen.
Multiple sclerosis is one of the specialties that we have, and we are very successful. It's actually one thing we have high success rates with. Now, here's the thing. We have this multiple sclerosis patient, and she is starting to losing her hair. And so, as you can imagine, for you females out there, losing your hair, it's quite detrimental, for women, right? And so, here's a couple of things that I suggested for her to do. Besides acupuncture, we're doing acupuncture, we're doing Chinese herbal medicine. It's helping her regrow her hair. But here's 2 things that I advise her to do that she can do at home. So one thing is to get an aloe vera plant. So it has to be the plant. It cannot be, these lotions, creams, gels made of aloe vera. It has to be the aloe vera plant. Get an aloe vera plant. I told her to get an aloe vera plant, let it grow, okay? And when the leaves get this big, then just to cut the leaves, and then stick it like in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator. And then every night, I want her to grab one of these leaves, okay? Slit it open with a knife, and then get that gel, that gooey white gel within the aloe vera plant, and just rub it on her scalp. Just really dig it into her scalp. Do it like a leave-in conditioner. Leave it in for about 30 minutes, and then you can go and wash it off, okay? And so, what's the purpose of that? Well, most people know aloe vera as for burns, right? When you have a burn, you put some aloe vera on it, and it actually helps, heal the burn faster. What is it actually doing? It's actually helping you regenerate your skin, and so regenerate your cells. So it can also help nourish and regenerate your hair follicles. And so that's one of the reasons why I told her to get some aloe vera plant and just put in that gel into her head, right? Second thing I told her to do is to, increase collagen, right? We want to increase collagen for our skin and also our hair. And so what collagen, there's different types of collagen. There's plant-based, fruit-based collagen, there's animal-based collagen. Well, there's something that you can do on a daily basis on your dietary. You can drink bone broth. So just get some bone broth. There's collagen in there. There's animal-based collagen, still great collagen. And to drink that, every night, just like a cup of soup or just like a beverage, right? I had her do those two things to help her regenerate her skin and also her hair follicles. And it's been over 2 weeks. So first, whenever her hair, she would wash her hair or comb her hair, she would have chunks of hair come out. And then now, after about 2 weeks of our regimen, the hair is just a few strands. She's not losing it as fast. And so our next goal is to help regenerate it faster, help stimulate the hair follicles to grow faster, and so that she can get her full set of hair again like she used to have. So again, it's not necessarily related to her multiple sclerosis, but I thought it would be very interesting for me to share. For those of y'all who might have some hair loss and you want to know what you can do at home, these are the things that you can do at home. Home remedies, home treatments is just as important as the treatments that patients have when they come to achieve integrative health.